Known as the hometown of the brand Hugo Boss and for the innovative and modern architecture of its outlet city, Metzingen invites you to shop in the brand outlet surrounding Lindenplatz. Metzingen is a medium-sized town in Baden-Württemberg at the foot of the Swabian Alb near Reutlingen. It belongs to the European metropolitan region of Stuttgart. Metzingen is known nationally above all for its numerous outlets. One of the easiest ways to reach Metzingen from Stuttgart is by train, departing every half hour with a travel time of about 40 minutes. Metzingen is the seat of several textile companies, which usually only have their design and administrative headquarters here since the actual production takes place outside Germany. The best-known company in Metzingen is Hugo Boss. In Metzingen, there are over 90 factory sales in which mainly certain branded garments like Reebok, Adidas, S. Oliver, Esprit, Puma, Nike, Hugo Boss, Jupe, Escada, Ballet, Armani, Timberland, Dockers, and many more at reduced prices. In addition, there are also outlet stores with leather fashion, toys, and other articles. Metzingen is one of the largest outlet or factory sales location in Germany. Over 60 shops have merged under the term Outlet City Metzingen and are managed by Outlet City AG. This shopping center is a must-visit for budget-minded fashionistas visiting Germany. It offers free Wi-Fi at hotspots throughout the outlet area. If visiting from outside the EU, be sure to fill out a tax-free shopping form when you check out. Outlet City Metzingen is closed on Sundays and public holidays. For the biggest discounts, plan your trip during the special summer and winter sales in June and December. Visitors from around the world have long seen Outlet City Metzingen as a real city of fashion and major style capitals around the world. In Metzingen, everything is possible. A fascinating world full of international brands all around the Lindenplatz invites you to shop and stroll all year round. A day out at Outlet City Metzingen is about so much more than just shopping. It's actually a luxury break. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Johnny's channel. Until my next travel, cheers!